The highest paying remote jobs are often the most boring. I know you probably don't want to hear that, but it's the truth. And the crazy thing is, most people don't even know these jobs exist. And that's why companies are always hiring for them. And many of them lead to six-figure careers in just a few years. So let's jump right in. Number one, being a junior accountant or bookkeeper. Now, I know what you're thinking, spreadsheets all day? Not really exciting. But companies are desperate for accounting help right now. Their systems are outdated, they're behind on modern software, and they need people who can bring order to the chaos. You can start entry level, learn how businesses actually run, and open the door to massive opportunities. And if you understand accounting, you understand how money moves. Add AI or automation to that, and you become extremely valuable. Because a lot of companies do not require a degree anymore. They just want someone who can be reliable and get the work done. So here are some of the skills you need. You need to know Excel, you have to have attention to detail, QuickBooks or NetSuite basics, and a solid understanding of how businesses operate. Start with bookkeeping. Learn the systems, then learn automation. That's how you climb fast or even become a consultant. And I'll give this an opportunity score of a 9.5 out of 10. Now, before we continue, I want to share something that can actually help you land some of these jobs. If you're interested in careers like sales, tech, business, construction, or supply chain, CourseCareers has affordable online programs that can teach you everything you need to know to get hired in just a few weeks. It's exactly how I landed my first remote tech sales job with no experience in the tech space. They teach you real job skills, how to build your resume, how to get interviews, and how to actually get job offers. Plus, networking, career coaches, and a huge community of people who have gone through the course and successfully landed a job. And the best part, every course starts with a free intro class so you can figure out which career path fits you best before even spending $1. And if you still don't know your best path, they have a free AI career counselor called Quora that recommends the perfect career for you. The link is down low in the description. Now, number 2 on the list is IT help desk specialist. If you've ever called tech support, this is that job. Basically, you help people fix their tech issues remotely. You reset passwords, solve software problems, and you save the day when someone's computer basically freaks out. Think of this as being a tech doctor. And the starting salary is anywhere from $45,000 to $65,000. And some of the skills you'll need is basic tech knowledge, problem-solving abilities, patience, and communication. Some of the pros are that no degree is required, it's an easy entry into tech and 100% remote, and you can move into higher paying IT roles pretty quickly. Now, some of the cons are that the work can be repetitive, you're dealing with frustrated people, and the occasional odd working hours. So overall, I'll give this an opportunity score of 8.5 out of 10. Now let's move into job number 3, data entry or junior data analyst. Now this one is boring, like really boring, but it's very powerful. You basically clean up data, enter information, run reports, and keep databases accurate. Salary for this position starts at about $35,000 to $40,000, but moves up to $50,000 to $65,000 pretty fast as a junior analyst. And some of the skills are typing, accuracy, Excel, and pattern recognition. And some of the pros about the job is that it's a super easy entry-level job that you can work remote, and you can also move into a data analyst or data scientist roles. But some of the cons are that, again, it's pretty repetitive work, and sometimes it could be mind-numbing. So overall, I'll give this an opportunity score of a 7.5 out of 10. Next boring job is a junior project coordinator. And this one is all about organizing schedules, tracking tasks, and making sure projects stay on task. In this position, you're supporting project managers by updating schedules, sending reminders, tracking deliverables, and keeping everyone organized. You're basically the person who makes sure nothing falls through the cracks. Think of it like being an air traffic controller, but for projects instead of planes. And the salary for this job starts around $45,000 and goes up to about $60,000 for entry-level roles. And the skills that are needed are organizational skills, obviously communication abilities, basic project management software knowledge, and just overall multitasking. The pros are that it's available across every industry: construction, tech, healthcare, business, you name it. There are project coordinators in every industry. It's also relatively easy to get into, and the career path is very clear. You move into project management roles, making anywhere from $75,000 to $95,000, and then into senior project management roles, earning anywhere from $95,000 to $130,000 and more. If you're in construction specifically, you can become a construction project manager, making about $70,000 to $110,000 or more, managing entire building projects. Now, the cons are that you're dealing with multiple people's schedules and demands. It can be stressful stressful when projects get delayed and you're often caught in the middle of different departments. So overall, I'm giving this an opportunity score of an 8.5 out of 10 because project coordinators are needed everywhere and the progression is fast if you're good at it. Next up, we have procurement assistant or junior buyer. And this job is all about ordering supplies and negotiating with vendors. So you're researching supplies, comparing prices, placing orders, and making sure materials arrive on time. Basically, you're shopping for a living, but for companies instead of yourself. And this salary starts at around $45,000 and goes up to about $60,000 for entry-level positions. And the skills needed are negotiation skills, attention to detail, basic Excel, and communication abilities. Now, the pros here are that it's available in every industry: manufacturing, construction, healthcare, retail, you name it. There's job security because companies always need to buy things, and you can move into procurement manager roles making about $70,000 up to $95,000 or more, or supply chain managers making anywhere from $80,000 to $120,000. Now, the cons are that it can be repetitive, ordering the same supplies over and over. There's pressure when materials are late or projects are delayed, and you're constantly negotiating, which can be very tiring. So I'm gonna give this boring job an opportunity score of 8 out of 10 because supply chain and procurement are critical functions that companies desperately need, especially after recent supply chain disruptions. Next, construction estimating assistant. And this one is perfect if you're interested in construction but don't want to be out in the field swinging a hammer. In this role, you're calculating material costs, reviewing blueprints, getting quotes from suppliers, and helping estimate how much construction projects will actually cost. Basically, you're doing the math to figure out the budgets for projects. Now, the salary for this job starts at around $45,000 and goes up to $60,000 for entry-level roles. And the skills needed are attention to detail, basic math, ability to read blueprints, which you can learn, and Excel skills. The pros are that construction is always happening, so there's always constant demand, and you can work remotely reviewing plans and costs. And the career path leads to construction estimator roles making anywhere from $60,000 to $85,000, or you can transition into construction project management, making anywhere from $70,000 to $110,000 or more. The cons are that you need to learn construction terminology and blueprint reading, and there's pressure to be accurate because wrong estimates cost companies a lot of money, and it could be repetitive doing the same calculations. Now, I'm giving this job an opportunity score of 8 out of 10 because construction isn't going anywhere, and estimators are always needed. Next up, HR assistant or HR coordinator. And yes, processing paperwork and scheduling interviews isn't exactly thrilling. In this position, you're posting job openings, screening resumes, scheduling interviews, and handling employee paperwork. Basically, you're the person who keeps the hiring process and employee records organized. You can think of it like being the behind the scenes organized, making sure the people side of the business runs smoothly. The salary starts at around $40,000 and goes up to about $55,000 for entry-level roles, and the skills needed are organization, communication, attention to detail, and people skills. Now, the pros here are that every single company needs HR, and it's pretty low stress compared to some of the other jobs mentioned, and you can move into HR generalist roles making $55,000 to $75,000, HR manager positions at $75,000 to $100,000, or specialize in recruitment making anywhere from $60,000 to $90,000. Now, the cons are that it can be very administrative and repetitive, and you deal with employee complaints and drama sometimes, and the entry-level pay is a bit lower than the other jobs. So overall, I'm giving this one an opportunity score of 7.5 out of 10 because while it's available everywhere, the starting pay is lower and the progression is a bit longer. Now, the last one is digital marketing assistant, and this is all about scheduling social media posts and tracking campaign performance. In this position, you're helping manage social media accounts, scheduling posts, running basic ad campaigns, and reporting on metrics. Basically, you're the support person helping marketing teams execute their strategies. The salary starts around $40,000 and goes up to about $55,000 for entry-level roles, and the skills needed are basic social media knowledge, content creation, attention to detail, and communication skills. The pros are it's creative enough to not be completely boring, and you can work 100% remotely, and the career path leads to a digital marketing specialist at $55,000 to $75,000 a year, or a marketing manager at $70,000 to $95,000 a year, or even CMO positions that pay as much as $120,000 and above. Now, the cons are that you're doing repetitive tasks like scheduling posts, and the entry-level pay is lower, and you're usually not making strategic decisions at first. So I'm going to give this one an opportunity score of 7.5 out of 10 because while marketing is growing, there is more competition for these entry-level roles than the others on the list. Now, here's what makes all of these jobs really special. They might might be boring, but every single one of them is a stepping stone to a six-figure career. That entry-level accounting job, it leads to a financial analyst or accounting manager positions making $100,000 or more. That boring IT help desk position, that leads to an IT manager or a cloud architect roles making $100,000 to $180,000 a year. That mind-numbing data entry job, it's your entry point to data scientist positions making $120,000 to $180,000 a year. Even that construction estimating role leads to project manager positions overseeing multi-million-dollar projects. So yes, these jobs might put you to sleep, but they're actually the smartest career moves that you can make because they require no degree, they're always hiring, and they lead to careers that most people spend $100,000 and 4 years in college trying to break in. Now, if you're interested in actually landing one of these jobs, whether it's tech sales, IT, accounting, data analytics, project management, supply chain, construction, HR, or digital marketing, I have to tell you about CourseCareers. They have affordable online courses for most of these career paths that teach you everything that you need to know to land your first job in just 1 to 3 months. And I'm not exaggerating. People are literally getting hired in 48 weeks after finishing these programs. They teach you the actual day-to-day skills employers want, how to build your resume from scratch with no experience, how to optimize your LinkedIn profile, and most importantly, exactly how to land interviews and ace them to get job offers. And you can get access to career coaches who actually work in these industries, like real SDRs, real IT professionals, real project managers who will do mock interviews with you and review your applications. Plus, there's a massive Discord community of thousands of students and graduates who help each other land jobs. People literally share when their companies are hiring and refer each other. And the best part, every single course starts with a completely free introduction that teaches you about the career and what the day-to-day is like, how much you can make, and whether it's a good fit for you, all before you spend $1. And like I mentioned earlier, if you're still not sure which career path is right for you after watching this video, they have Quora, their free AI career counselor. It asks you questions about what you enjoy, what you're good at, and what kind of lifestyle you want, and then it recommends which career would be the best fit for you. It takes about 2 minutes and it's completely free. So if you're serious about starting one of these boring but high-paying careers, the link to check out Quora and the free intro courses is in the description below. No college degree required, no previous experience needed, just the willingness to put in the work for 1 to 3 months to completely change your career trajectory. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to smash the subscribe button because I make videos like this all the time, breaking down real career opportunities that actually work. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.